Hey tech friends, welcome back into tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to change username on a messenger. So in this, I will guide one of the easiest and step-by-step process to change username on messenger. So let's dive into our video. First of all, open your messenger application on mobile device, and before that, make sure you will be logged in that. So after opening that application, now you can see here menu at the bottom. So tap on this. Inside that menu, now you can see here one setting option is there. Tap on setting. Inside the setting, you have to search for username. Now you can see here username option is there. Tap on this. Yeah, after that, now you can see here one option as a edit username, and the last one is copy link. You can copy the link and you open it, but here we are to change the name. So edit, and now you can see here my username is this, but if you want to change, so select, and if you want to change anything, you can give here, but I don't want to change. After giving the change, now you can see here one save option is there. You can save that. So in this way you can change the username on messenger. So if you like this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Thanks for watching this video.